Okay, so our next project is we're gonna change the oil. Now, I just got these road guards on, so I got this much space to get into oil filter right here. And I got the cap for this, the oil filter socket. Oops, let me just get it there. I just put it just like that. Just like that. Get a view of it. Come on, get a view. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here. And so I gotta get the wrench in my toolbox. And I got the genuine Suzuki oil filter. Suzuki genuine parts. Part number 16510-07J00. That's the Suzuki parts oil filter. And I'm using SuperTech all mile coverage synthetic blend 1040W motor oil. This is in 5 quarts. I don't think it has 5 quarts. I think it's a 3.8 quarts. So first we're going to get these screws off and then take the oil filter off. And I'm going to see about getting this air filter drain plug off too. Like a pin on it. I'm going to learn more about that. Because this has like a little, you got to clean that once in a while. So I'm going to figure out how to do that. That's my next thing I want to learn. So we're going to change the oil in the Suzuki Boulevard C50T. And get to that oil filter. And then oil plugs there. And the drain plug is right there, so I can unscrew that. So that is what we're going to do. As far as a 14mm socket. 14mm. And so we're going to loosen this and get this right in position. I use 2 hands for this. Okay, so we are loosening it, and the oil is going to drain out. Oh, it's a long screw. There it is. Oil is draining out. I had to figure out which way it was. Make sure I could clean this nut and loosen this cap off as well to get it flow out. Just like that, so I make sure no dirt gets in there while it's draining. So I'm gonna let this sit and get it all drained out of there. And we'll take the oil filter off as well. So oil filter is on there tight. And you gotta struggle with this thing to get it off. There we go. Now it's coming off. Should be on the handle. I'm loosening it now. There it goes. Oh, it's a long screw. All right. There's the oil filter. And that pan is just about full. I think it would take that much oil. The good thing it didn't leak over. And I'm getting oil on the ground here, so we're gonna get this out of here. And now to put the nut back on, and we're gonna be putting the new oil in. That's a long screw. Okay, so we hand tightened it and dried it off as best as we're possibly able to do. And now to get the socket nut on here and tighten it up completely. And one thing I don't like is this thing is hard to come off. Once it tightens up, it gets stuck in there and it's hard to get off. So I want to make sure I can get this thing off after I tighten everything. Now it's a battle to get it off, so let's get this thing tightened up. Also got a motorcycle frame, license frame, which I'm going to put right over here. Place this one from Mountain Motorsports with the Marines. Because why should I advertise, give them Mountain Motorsports free advertising when they don't give me any money for it? So I'm going to use this. So I'm going to put this on, take this off. Take this frame off. Okay, so got it out of the package, and we're going to put this on. Use two hands though. There it is. License frame is on. Marines license frame. Marines license frame is now on the motorcycle. I only got 2 screws on here. I don't have this bottom one. That'll work.